Have a nice day, student. Today we discuss about class Mammalia. Class Mammalia is the class of vertebrates. Vertebrates are the animals which having the vertebral column in their body. We call them vertebrates. Mammalia. Mammalia is the group of animal which having the mammary gland in their body or milk producing gland in their body. So we call them Mammalia. They having the milky glands in their body. So we call them Mammalia. Now, what are the specific feature of the mammalia? So, these animals are found in everywhere. It means their habitat is everywhere. So, they are found everywhere on the land. Everywhere on land. These animals having the some specific feature, just like these animals having the well-developed notochord in the embryonic stage, which is modified or developed into the vertebral column. This vertebral column is known as the backbone. So in our body, the backbone is made up of bones. We call them vertebra. So this backbone is another name of this backbone is vertebral column. These animals having the skin, which having the hair. Hair is responsible for the maintaining the body temperature, as well as the skin having the glands also, sweat glands, which is responsible for the maintaining the body temperature with the help of sweating. They having the sebaceous glands also. Sebaceous glands also. The another name of these glands we call them oil glands. Now, mammals they having the endoskeleton also. Endoskeleton is made up of bones, while the exoskeleton is made up of hairs, bones. While the exoskeleton it means the skeleton or the structure which is present outside the body. We call them exoskeleton is made up of hairs and endoskeleton is made up of bones. Now, these animals having the subcutaneous fat also. Subcutaneous it means below the skin the layer of fat is present. We call them subcutaneous layer is present. Subcutaneous fat layer is present, which is responsible for the maintaining the body temperature. It helps into the maintaining body temperature. Maintain the body temperature. Now we discuss about the other feature of this class. Now mammals are the tetrapoda. Tetrapoda it means these animals having the four legs, so we call them tetrapoda. Tetrapoda it means four legs or limbs. Now, these animals are also pentadactyl. Pentadactyl it means their foot or feet is divided into the 5 digits, so we call them pentadactyl in nature. Now, these animals are the warm-blooded animal. It means in these animals the body temperature remains constant. The temperature never variable according to the environmental conditions. In these animals, the thoracic cavity is divided from abdomen or separated from abdomen through a muscular structure we call them diaphragm. Diaphragm the structure which help in the breathing of an animal. It helpful in the movement of ribs and breathing in the case of inspiration and expiration. These animals having the well developed external pinna or external ear pinnas. In mammals, the well developed ear or sound ear system or ears are present, so they having the external ear pinna in their bodies or in their structure. The ear pinna are helpful in the case of collection of sound waves. In these animals, the teeth are present. The hardest part of human body, we call them enamel. Enamel is present in the teeth. Enamel. It is present in the teeth. So, in human body or in the mammals, the teeth are present. The teeth are different types, such as thicodont, diphicodont, and heterodont or hamadont. In the case of mammals, they respire through the lungs. because they are having the respiratory system, which having the respiratory organ, we call them lungs. Another important structure is present in these animals. They excrete or they show that they perform the excretion with the help of kidney. In these animals, heart having the four chamber, two auricle and two ventricle. Two upper chambers are called the auricles and two lower chambers are called ventricles. In the case of mammals, the hemoglobin is present in the RBC. So the RBC are without nucleus or enucleated. So RBC contain the hemoglobin in the mammals. So hemoglobin is present in RBC or red blood corpuscles. These red blood corpuscles are without nucleus. Only two animals, camel and llama, having the nucleus in their RBC. So RBCs are without nucleus. In case of mammal or in case of human being. In human being, the shape of RBC in human being is biconcave. Now, another important feature of in these animals, the fertilization is internal. Fertilization is internal and sexes are separate. It means the animals are unisexual. It means male and females are different. It means sexual dimorphism is present in this group. In these groups, the parental care is also present. It means parents exhibited the parental caring. They are having the mammary gland for feeding of their young ones. So the mammary glands are present in this class, and these groups are divided in three subgroups on the basis of their reproduction process. First group we call them egg-laying mammals. Egg-laying mammals, it means these mammals produce the egg. For example, spiny anteater and duck bilipped platypus. These animals are the egg-laying animal. And now second group we call them marsupials. Marsupials, the animals which having the brood pouch in their body. Brood pouch is the structure which is used for the developing of young ones or their young ones. So in these animals, the brood pouch is present. For example, polar bear and macropus or conga. These two animals having the brood pouch in their structure which help in the development of young ones. Now third category of mammals we call them placental mammals. They are having the placenta in their body which provide the nourishment to the developing young ones. So placental mammals are the true mammals. We call them true mammals because they are having the placenta in their body which provide the nourishment to the developing fetus or developing young ones in the mother body. All the animals which are present in our surrounding such as lion, tiger, cat, dog, cattle and human being also, they are classified in this class. These animals, they give the birth of young ones, we call them viviparous. So the placentals or mammals are viviparous. Viviparous, it means they give the birth of young ones. Viviparous, it means these animals give the birth of young ones. So this is the advanced class of the animals. This is the these animals are the dominant at present on the land. So this is the most advanced and well developed class of the animals on the land. Thanks for today. Have a nice day.